News on the death of Peaches Geldof now. Toxicology reports have confirmed the daughter of Bob Geldof had heroin in her system that contributed to her death, much like her late mother, Polly Yates, who also died from a heroin overdose. Now back to Rob Ford, who has previously admitted to using crack and is now acknowledging his problem with alcohol. Tonight, we track his treatment and find out from an addiction expert what the mayor can expect on his long road to recovery.
30 days is certainly not enough for anyone who comes in for drug addiction.
It's day one of Rob Ford's new reality, but what will his life look like in rehab?
He's filled with fear. He is filled with the unknown. His mind right now is in a very chaotic state. They probably won't get into direct counseling or therapy right away. They would do the medical assessment, get him to a point of stabilization mentally and physically. They would be treating him not as a mayor, but they'll be treating him as an individual who has an addiction issue.
As this hard news scandal delves deeper into the realm of celebrity, ET Canada investigates crack in Hollywood. Whitney Houston finally came clean after years of denying her crack use, most famously in this interview with Diane Sawyer.
Crack is cheap. I make too much money to ever smoke crack. Let's get that straight, okay? We don't do crack. We don't do that. Crack is whack.
Whitney's story ended in tragedy. Sadly, so did another singing legend. Amy Winehouse was caught on camera smoking crack in a video too graphic for TV before she died of alcohol poisoning in 2011. So could Rob Ford's addictions lead him to a similar fate?
The possibility of death is absolutely real. Should he go back and use crack, cocaine, or alcohol, it could be his very last time.
Charlie Sheen and Brooke Mueller's crack addiction almost cost them everything, and Sheen wasn't hiding anything during an interview on 2020.
Last time I took drugs, I probably took more than anybody could survive, you know.
What are we talking about? How much?
I don't know, man. I was banging 7-gram rocks and finishing them because that's how I roll. I have one speed, I have one gear. Go.